The changes I think we're going to see in the manufacturing world is probably a growth in automation. The trades, unfortunately, seem to be going away. The kids coming out of school today are not typically working on their equipment. The society that we've come into contact with is now a throwaway society, so you're not fixing your bicycle, you're not repairing your washing machine. So those skills are kind of falling off, and unfortunately, there's not a lot of people that actually want to work with their hands and continue to grow the manufacturing space. So we're offshoring a lot of things to different countries, but my hope is that we start to bring things back to the United States, and the only way to be competitive with that is through automation. So the hope, and I think what's going to happen is you're going to see a lot more manufacturing, and the technical jobs are going to be more PLC programming, high-level technicians, and that's still going to be a nice salary for them, and it's going to be hopefully improving manufacturing back to the United States, because I think offshoring everything that we did over the last few years has actually hurt us, unfortunately.